Hi, my name is Motomay and I'm your host for Moto Makeover. Bike Night Asia came up with this para sa ating mga loyal followers at ganoon na rin sa mga followers ng brand na sumusuporta sa atin. Bike Night Asia has been with us for 3 years now and this is our way of giving back para sa community. In line with this, we are introducing the JTech brand. These are the top quality motorcycle performance parts to make sure our rides are safe. You are on Moto Makeover.
Hi, I'm Valerie Pangayan, Director at BSB June Rose, and this is JTech Moto Makeover.
And welcome back! My name is Motomay and I'm with Jeff from Bike Night Asia. Together we are JTech Moto Makeover. Welcome back sa ating episode part 2, no? This is the day na inaabangan ng marami kasi ito yung point na papalitan natin yung mga dapat palitan. So, ano nga ba yun, Sir Jeff?
So, nandito tayo. Nandito na yung ito yung madugong part eh.
Para sa ito yung exciting part.
So, Moy, saan natin sisimulan ang ating mga parts na papalitan? So, unahin siguro natin yung mga...
Sige, yung malalaki muna,
yung
papunta sa maliit.
Ayan, papalitan natin yung buong
kaha niya. Inner and outside fairing. Part of the inner fairing sa ting pinapatungan sa dito yan sa may upuan. Fender.
Rear
Back
fender.
Front fairing to.
Front fairing.
Ayun o.
Uy, bagong-bago.
Ito ang batok. Ang kapares ng batok. Inner fairing, no?
So, performance parts naman. Sprocket.
Sprocket set. Okay. Style electronic na naman sasabihin ko. Tinamahan natin ng voltmeter. Handle grip.
Yung headlight mo.
Headlight.
Signal lights.
Front and rear.
Yung brake shoe, papalitan natin. So, ito yung suspension.
Dito na tayo sa mga small but terrible parts. Mini relay, Bosch relay yan. Trusted na natin to, subok na ng karamihan mapapasasakyan o motorman. Ito naman ang ating Bosch spark plug.
So this is the NOC Corteco, yung oil rings, oil seals. Yan, ito yan. So well, Moy, this is the JTech bearing. The JTech bearings has this QS seal. Yun yung lagi nating sinasabi on our episodes. They always have that. The quality systems, no? This quality system, it serves as palatandaan ng ating mga consumers or customers that these products of JTech, NOC Corteco, it means ito po quality tested. While kinakabit yan is yung kanilang JTech na premium heavy-duty bearing grease.
Certified na busina, ito ang Bosch Fanfare Horn. Taray.
Meron tayong mahalagang papalitan doon sa motor ni Kuya Joseph.
Wow, grabe naman to.
Ang gulong na ito ay isang Tier 1 na gulong, of course, alam mo yan mo.
Yes.
The Michelin Pilot Street 2.
Yan.
This is actually from Michelin by Tiara.
So, palitan na rin natin yung side stand niya. And yung pegs niya, nakita natin, ubus na, pudpud na. Palitan na rin natin yung pegs niya ng angkas niya. Sobrang na-excite ako sa episode na to. Bakit? Kasi halos lahat pinalitan natin.
I'm so grateful to our sponsors, to everyone who supported this campaign talaga. Of course, JTech, Bosch, NOC Corteco, Michelin, Garage Point Manila.
Imprint Customs, of course.
Imprint Customs, of course, and Imprint Cafe. So, this is JTech Moto Makeover.
Yeah.
I guess, kailangan na nating ilabas kasi naghihintay na ang ating mga mekaniko to put everything and do the Moto Makeover of JTech.
Yeah, let's go!
We just finished inspecting the bikes and isa sa mga struggles na nakita namin when it comes to this bike is medyo mahaba-haba yung journey na gagawin itong bike na to. Kasi unlike dun sa motor ni JR na fairly new on the click, yung Smash ni Kuya Joseph is medyo old model na, so to speak. So, kailangan natin maghanap ng mga pairings, kailangan natin maghanap ng mga parts that are compatible dun sa motor just to make sure na we're replacing the things that should be replaced. So, aesthetically, papalitan natin yung mga yan. At the same time, syempre, yung safety, which is yung priority ng JTech Moto Makeover. So, marami tayong kailangan palitan, especially yung fairings, just to make it look better. Pero mostly, sinadyo na yung kailangan mag-discuss nun. May mga parts na kailangan palitan. So, you can be sure na yung motor ni Kuya Joseph is running smoothly and safely. Kasi nga, itong motor na to, just like JR, it's being used every day since si Kuya Joseph is a JNT rider. So, watch out kung ano yung mga papalitan natin dito. Watch out kung ano yung mga mangyayaring bago. And we'll see you guys soon.
Ang haba ng intro talaga si Sir Jeff, ganyan talaga yan. Pag may edad na. Oy, tumatawa yung
Masaktan ka naman!
Hindi, oh.
Yung brakes niya, same, papalitan pa rin namin, mga chains.